It's an indication of a lower punishment rather than a higher one.
Judge, can I ask you, so what does it signal to you that the judge went with basically exactly what Barr's recommendation was, that 40 months? What does that signal?
She's trying to make this bulletproof from a pardon because she went along exactly with what the Attorney General requested. How could the government possibly object to this? She gave them exactly what they wanted, and it's half of the number that had outraged the president.
But as you said, you think that because of this jury foreperson, there is a chance that the trial was not fair in the eyes of the law. So what does it mean to you that she chose to administer the sentence before considering that?
I think she wants, that's a great question, Melissa. I think she wants to keep jurisdiction over the case because if there were no longer proceedings before her, then she could not silence Stone. And I have to say a word about silencing him. I can understand a judge silencing a defendant during the trial. You don't want the defendant outside the courtroom speaking to the jury through the media. But Stone was convicted in November. At that point, his First Amendment privileges and rights returned to him. There is no sound legal or moral basis to silence a defendant after conviction. I understand in the courtroom as we speak, his lawyers are now asking her to lift the gag order. We'll find out from Bill Mears and company if they succeeded. We'll also find out if Stone comes to the microphones when he comes out.
Absolutely, and we have our David Spunt there watching.